Good morning, my dears. We have get back to our class session. We have completed our unit test and we have returned. In our previous class, we are discussing the chapter fraction. We know that how we can convert a given fraction in terms of times and of. In this class, we have discussing about fraction division. This is my first question. The area of a rectangle is 85 square meter and the length of one of its side is 5 meter. What is the length of the other side? We know that the properties or peculiarities of a rectangle, how we can get the area of a rectangle by using its length and breadth. From our question, we can arrive at this conclusion. The area should be 85 centimeter square and one of its length is 5 centimeter. Here we need to find out the length or other side of this rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle should be length multiplied with breadth. Here the breadth is given. Then here we need to find out the length of the rectangle where area is provided. In this case, we want to divide the area with the other length of this rectangle. That means length is equal to 85 divided by 5, which is equal to 17. This should be the length of the rectangle. We are learning about how to finding area of a rectangle by using a natural number. Let me think like this. If the area of a rectangle is 1 by 2 square meter and the length of one side is 3 by 4 meter, then what is the length of the other side? This is my second question. We can write it like this. We have learned that back and forth method. From this, any number multiplied by 3 by 4 is the result 1 by 2. In the reverse order, we can write it like that. 1 by 2 times of here 3 by 4. Then the reverse should be 4 by 3. That is 1 by 2 of 4 by 3 should be the result here. That is 1 by 2 of 4 by 3. When we multiply two fractions, we want to multiply numerator with numerator. 4 ones are 4 divided by 2 3s are 6. This is the length of the rectangle, 4 by 6 centimeter. It can also be shortened like this, 2 by 3 centimeter. Here 2 is the common factor in these two terms. So 2 by 3 centimeter is also length of the rectangle. This is my third question. To fill 3 by 4 of a vessel, 1.5 liters of water is needed. How much water would be if it is completely filled? From our question, 3 by 4 parties filled it with 1.5 liters of water. We need to find out the whole part should be filled with how many liters of water. Here we need to divide the total with the 3 by 4 part. That is 1/1/2 divided with 3 by 4. This is in the mixed fraction. So here we need it to convert into fraction form. So 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided with 3 by 4. This is another trick. When we divide two fractions, the first fraction should be kept as same. Then the division will be changed into multiplication. Then the second term should be reversed, that is 4 by 3. This is the method that we use in back and forth type questions. That is, when we divide two fractions, first term should be kept unchanged and the division should be changed into multiplication. The second term should be changed into reverse order. When we shorten this, 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator should be cancelled. Then 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 liters of water, is needed to fill the can. A 10-meter string can be cut into how many half meters? Then we can directly say that there are 20 pieces of half meter. Is it? Because if we cut the string in 1 meter, there should be 10 pieces of strings. Then again, if we cut the 1 meter into half, there should be again 10 pieces. Then should be the total pieces should be 10 plus 10, 20. In terms of mathematics, the total meter of string is 10 meter. We need to cut into half meters. So we want to divide half divided by here the total length of the string is 10 meter. We need to cut into half meters. Then that number of strings should be 10 divided by half. From our previous question, we know that first term should be kept unchanged and the division should be changed into multiplication. 1 by 2 is reversed into 2 by 1, which is equal to 10 to 20 by 1 is equal to 20. This is your homework question. Question number 1. A 16-meter road is cut into 2 by 3 meter pieces. How many pieces do we get? Second question. 1 by 4 liters of water is to be stored in 3 by 4 liter bottles. How many bottles do we need? These two questions you have to do. Thank you, children. See you in your next class.